All and welcome to another video in the Music Composition 100. We basically did the syncopation lecture the last time, and I just want to review what is syncopation. Syncopation is where the rhythm is off the beat. Another definition could be that syncopation is where the accented beat is one that is not on the main beat. Or another definition, that syncopation is a variety of notes that are unexpected in rhythm to the ear. So what this means is you can have a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or you can have 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. You can have any of those. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a regular beat, but 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's a regular beat. But if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4, that's a syncopation right there. Syncopation is any variety of notes that are unexpected in rhythm to the ear. So our ears are generally used to straightforward 4/4, no accents. But as we see in the next slide, this is going to be reversed. And there's a lot of different types of syncopation. So we're going to go over to the next slide, syncopation 2. And then these are the types of syncopation that there are. There are a wide variety of different types of syncopation. One type is a suspension. The suspension is where there is a beat that occurs right before the end of the measure, and that beat is tied to the next beat of the next measure. You'll have a quarter note tied to a quarter note over the bar line, in other words. Another type of syncopation is an even note, in quotes, syncopation. This occurs when the stress or accents of the measure fall on the even numbered beats. For example, in 2/4 the beat is normally falling on count 1, and 4/4 beats 1 and 3 are usually the ones that are stressed. In an even note syncopation, the stress would fall on beat 2 in 2/4 time, and beats 2 and 4 in 4/4 time. Pictures are on the next slide. So, we have the suspension, which is the top rightmost picture. And in that suspension, you can see that there is a note on beat 4 tied to beat 1 of the next measure. That is the most common type of suspension that there is. And an even note suspension, it's where all the notes are there, but you could see the accent, instead of being on 1 and 3 in 4/4, the accent is clearly shown on beats 2 and 4. So get these images right in your mind right now. These are so common in rhythmic dictation in music that you will see them everywhere once you start to study composition seriously in this course and in future courses. So in the next video and slide, we will be discussing offbeat syncopations. So if you have any questions, please feel free to consult the Q&A. Until next time, see you later.